The challenge is not the measurement. The challenge is to measure accurately and precisely using a very tool which we've developed at Vision Device and NGIX. The tool mcfCHECK measures the metallized capacitor films as well as other films. For example, in hologram, food packaging metallized films, as well as sensors and battery applications. Using a computer numerical control system, where we coupled this with the NAGI systems, measuring the resistivity, and high precision cameras, we can measure different structures, metallized films, for example, the resistivity, optical density, and any other structures required. And this is all controlled from a platform which we've dedicated to measure over 2,000, 3,000 kind of films. Vision Device and MCF developed this system in order to improve the productivity and accuracy